Hello students, welcome in 10th Maths Part 2 class. We have studied coordinate geometry and their coordinates of x-axis and y-axis, and on that basis some example type activities we have to do, and this activity is given here. This AB is parallel to y-axis, this AB is parallel to y-axis, and this BC is parallel to this x-axis, and point A and B are given here. Coordinates of A and coordinates of B are, C is given. To find this uh, AC, filling the box given below. This we have to see that AC is the distance. This is a right angle triangle, and then it is a hypotenuse, and here it is a right angle. So this triangle we are considering, and we are filling this according to Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equal to B AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Then we have to fill here what? AC square. So that this BC parallel to x-axis, therefore y coordinate of B, coordinate of this B, what will be that? That is 2. And then AB is parallel to y, and then x coordinate of B. X coordinate of B, what is that? That is also 2. And then this AB, we are taking here, and then we have to fill the coordinate of this, that is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and then this BC is 2 and 2, and here we get that AC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, AB square plus BC square. So it is, we have to fill, and this BC points we know that 2 and 2, that is equal to, we get 4. So we will fill here, that is 1 square, that is AB's 1, so that 1 square, and then BC. BC is equal to 4 square. So 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. So that 1 plus this square is 16. So that it is total 17. So AC is equal to, that is square root of 17. On this basis, there is one formula we are going to see here. That is a distance formula. Here, this is the one BP is a ray perpendicular to x-axis, and this AD, this AD is parallel to this x-axis. This is parallel to y-axis. B, BP is parallel to y-axis, and this AD is parallel to this x-axis, and this is a perpendicular to x-axis. So here is a point, that coordinates are x1, y1. Here is a B, that coordinates are x2, y2, and D point, that is its coordinates x2 and y1. So here it is given AD is distance AD is equal to this AD. AD means here. Then x2 minus x1. Here it is given A is a point, this is A, that is x, and here x1, and this x2. So here AD is equal to x2 minus x1, and BD y2 minus y1. Here it is given. Then we, according to right angle triangle ABD, this is a ABD. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square, it is a hypotenuse. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Here it is given. So that AD is, we are taken here x2 minus x1. Here we have filled, and BD distance is y2 minus y1. Here it is, we are taken. So therefore AB square is equal to this this we got x2 minus x1 square and this y2 minus y1 bracket square. So that AB is equal to, we are removing this square so that we are putting in square root, that is x2 minus x1 bracket square and plus bracket this y2 minus y1 bracket completes bracket square. So this formula we are using for solving the examples, means x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square we are going to use in solving examples. Here it is given some noting here like this, we are using this, these points are given and this segment AB and segment BC, and then used the Pythagoras theorem, and to find the length of AC, we are going to find the length of AC. So that here 2 points coordinates are given. That is A points is, here is A point, that coordinates are X and Y, that is X1, Y. Here it is given, that is here it is first whatever that is we are taking that are x1 and y1, and second that is x2 y2, like that. Here that is coordinates are x1 y1, and next cis coordinates we are considering, that is x2 y2. Here it is we are taking, and we are using this AC, that is square root of that distance formula. We are using x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. We are putting this x2's value. X2's value is what it is, minus 2, and minus y x1 it is 2. Here it is we are taken, and then y2's value is 2, and y1 it is a 3. We are filled this value. And then here minus minus plus, then sign will be minus, so that this 4 bracket square, this minus, we are making minus, so that here we got 1 bracket square, then 4 square is 16 and 1 square as it is 1. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So that this is a 17 square root of 17. So segment AB parallel to y-axis and segment BC parallel to x-axis. Then in this example, we are going to study that here we are using that x uh, point, that is BC's, we get that filling the formula like that only, that is uh, x2 minus x square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square and x y2 minus y1 bracket square. We will get that BC's point as 4. It is given in the book. In this next thing, here it is also one triangle is given and their coordinates are given. So in previous activities, we are seeing the segment AB and segment AC, and then use the Pythagoras theorem and find the length of AC. We are going to find the length of AC. Next, here one example is given. The find the distance between point P and Q. Then P's coordinates are -1 and 1, and Q's coordinates are 5 and -7. So the solution is x1 is equal to -1, this is, and y1 is equal to 1, and x2 is equal to 5, and y2 is equal to -7. So that using distance formula, according to distance formula, distance PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. We are putting the value of this, x2 is 5 minus, and x1 is -1 bracket square, and then y2 is -7. minus sign and y1 is 1 bracket square. This we are making addition. We got 6 bracket square, and here also addition 7 plus 1. This is minus 8 bracket square. This 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 46. Sorry, 64. So this making addition, we got a square root of 100. So that the biggest distance is we got that is 10. In next example, here that is A, B, and C are collinear. So that means all these 3 points A, B, and C points are collinear. Means we have to see this distance AB, distance BC, and distance AC. A distance formula is that. What is that distance formula? Whatever they may be point, then we are using this distance formula. Now we are taking the AB's distance. Then AB's distance, the coordinate of x1 uh, is minus 3 and y1 is 2, x2 is 1 and y2 is minus 2. So we are putting the value of this x1 x2's value is 1 minus x1 value is minus 3 and plus taking in bracket the y2 is here, y2 is minus 2, it is taken, and then y1 is also 2, it is minus. So that we are making this addition, we got its square, and this addition is square here. So 4 square and 4 square, this is 4 square is 16 and this 4 square is 16. So addition of these two, we got 32. Then factors this, we are 2 means 1 square is 16 into 2. This we are taken here. 16 is 4 and 2 as it is we are keeping. And then BC. BC also we are considering like that x1, y1, x2, y2. Like this, x2 minus x1, this formula you are using, this x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. This same formula we are using here. These points we are considering that the x2 and y2. So that x2 is 9, x1 is 1, bracket square. Then y2 is minus 10 plus this y1 is 2, bracket square. So this addition of we are making it this sign minus, so that we got 8 we are making minus from this 9 1, that we got our 8, and 8 square is 64, and then 1 minus sign 1 plus sign, so that it is also we got 8 square is 64, 2 64 is 164 into 2, so that we are taken factors, and then 64 is 8 square, and so square root as it is 2. Therefore AC we are also taking x2, this formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, this square bracket both of it, and then we are putting this value, that is x2 minus x1 bracket square, and then plus y2 minus y1 is this 10 minus 2 bracket square. So this we are making addition, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, 12 square is 144, and this 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 square is 144. So these two, this is one pair of this, so that we are making a factor of 2 into 12 square, so that we got it, it's 12 into square root 2. So we got from equation 1, 2 and 3, from equation 1 it is value is 4 into square root 2, and then according to equation 2 we got 8 into square root 8 and square root 2, and this is equal to, means this plus this is equal to 12 square root 2. So AB plus BC distance is equal to AC's distance. That is given. So you take it formula and solve the example, different examples. And if you get any problems, you ask me on phone. We will discuss on this.